Top 5 Free AI Resume Builders. Creating a standout resume can be a daunting task, but fear not. In today's video, we're going to show you how to use 5 free AI resume builders to create a resume that will make you stand out from the competition. First up, let's take a look at Resume. This AI-powered platform by ChatGPT allows you to create a professional-looking resume in minutes. Simply input your information, choose a template, and voila! Your resume is ready to go. Next, we have Resum AI. This platform not only creates a visually appealing resume but also helps you tailor your resume to the specific job you're applying for. With Resum AI, you can be confident that your resume will catch the eye of any hiring manager. Moving on to Resumaker, another fantastic AI resume builder. Resumaker offers a wide variety of customizable templates and even provides you with a list of suggested skills and keywords to include on your resume. This platform is perfect for anyone looking to create a polished and professional resume. Fourth on our list is Rezi. This platform offers a user-friendly interface and allows you to create a resume that stands out with its ATS-friendly schemes and design options. You'll be sure to catch the eye of any recruiter with a resume created on Rezi. Last but certainly not least, we have Flowcv. While not technically an AI resume builder, Flowcv is not only does it help you with inputting your text in a cohesive and readable way, it also makes it really easy to wrap your resume into an eye-popping and professional design. Basically like you hired a designer but without the price tag. So there you have it. 5 free AI resume builders to create a standout resume. With these tools, you'll be well on your way to landing your dream job. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe for more career tips and advice.